back with Bassingtons. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all keeping safe. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and as you can tell, it's a Beretta. And without further ado, here we go. It is the Beretta Silver Pigeon 3. This is the field version in 28-inch barrels. It comes with the usual stuff. It comes with 5 sets of chokes, choke key, oil. It also comes actually with a spare pad, which I think is useful to have. As I've said, I will do a more detailed review on this gun, but I do think this gun is cracking value for money. It's around about the £2,000 mark, and I think as field guns go, there isn't a better pound for pound gun on the market at the moment. Stay safe and stay tuned.